Hi, I'm Mason. Today I'm going to put a straw through a potato. All you need is a potato and a plastic straw. It doesn't work if you just try to shove it through. But there's a secret. Put your thumb over the end of the straw. Now try it again and it will go through. Covering the end traps air inside the straw. That creates pressure and makes the straw stronger. I'm gonna trick my mom. Put the straw through this potato. And it's a cool party trick. Please subscribe for more videos.